If you're taking a trip to London, you can take a walking tour to Notting Hill starting from Ladbroak Grove and Kensington Park Gardens. The walk is about 2 miles long and will take under an hour to complete from start to finish, but you could also spend more time at some destinations, so set aside extra time for your trip just in case. It is a very nice area and quite trendy. Trendy and fashionable neighborhood in London with a distinctive, made famous by a movie of the same name. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos and write your comments or questions. If you have found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos and write your comments or questions.